In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Amazon cart list with someone using a simple and direct approach. Sharing your Amazon cart can be incredibly useful, whether you're collaborating on a gift list, planning a shared purchase, or simply seeking someone else's input on your selections. So let's dive in and make this process as easy as possible. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser and head over to Amazon's website. You'll want to make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your cart. If you haven't logged in, take a moment to do so now. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, navigate to the basket or cart icon. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page and is often represented by a small shopping cart symbol. Give it a click and you'll be taken directly to your shopping cart. Now that you're looking at your cart, you should be able to see all the items you've added. Take a quick glance to ensure everything you want to share is in there. Once you're satisfied, look for the Share button. Depending on your device or the version of Amazon you're using, this button can be found in different places, but it's commonly situated near where you would proceed to checkout. Clicking Share will present you with a couple of options for sharing your cart. One of the easiest ways is to choose a social media platform. Amazon provides options to share via platforms like Pinterest, Facebook, or Twitter, allowing you to post your list directly to these sites. This can be particularly handy if you already have a network there with whom you wish to share your cart. Just click on your preferred social media button and follow the prompts to post your cart for others to view. If you prefer a more private approach or want to share with someone not using social media, you can simply copy the link of your cart. There should be a straightforward option to do this after clicking Share. Once you have the link, you can paste it into an email, text message, or any other method of your choice. Just ensure the recipient has access to the internet to view the cart link, and there you have it. Whether you opted to share your cart through social media or a direct link, you've now mastered the straightforward process of sharing your Amazon shopping list with someone. This not only saves time, but also ensures that everyone involved is on the same page with the selected items. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!